If you want to use private email in Namecheap, this video will walk you through the basics step by step so you can get in, check your mail, use the calendar and contacts, and send an email with confidence. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Private Email by Namecheap. Once the page loads, you should land inside the private email interface. If you're not already signed in, log in with your Namecheap or private email account details so you can access your mailbox. Now look at the top left corner and click the mail icon. This takes you into the email area where you can manage your messages. From there, click Inbox so you can view the emails that have already come in. This is where you'll usually start whenever you want to check for new messages, replies, or account notifications. As you look around the interface, you'll also notice your storage information in the lower left area. This is useful because it helps you keep track of how much space you have left in your mailbox. If you send and receive a lot of emails, checking storage regularly can help you avoid running into issues later. Next, if you want to check your schedule, click the calendar icon in the top left area. That will open your calendar events inside private email. This is helpful if you use the email platform for both communication and organizing appointments, reminders, or meetings all in one place. If you need to manage people you contact often, click the contacts icon in the top left. From here, you can add or manage contacts so you do not have to type email addresses manually every time. Keeping your contacts organized makes it faster and easier to send messages, especially if you email the same people often. After checking your calendar or contacts, you can switch back to email by clicking the mail icon again. This brings you right back to your inbox and message tools. Then, when you're ready to send something, click Compose. This opens a new message window where you can create a fresh email. In the Compose window, fill in the to field with a recipient's email address, then add a subject line so the person knows what the email is about before opening it. After that, type your message in the email body. Make sure your message is clear, complete, and easy to understand. If you need to include more than one recipient, you can add them as needed depending on your email setup. Once everything looks good, double-check the recipient, subject, and message one more time before sending. This small step can help you avoid mistakes and make sure the email goes to the right person. When you're ready, click Send to deliver the message. And that's it. You now know how to use private email in Namecheap to access your inbox, check calendar events, manage contacts, and compose and send email. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.